Mortgage Mark here. Let's talk about the questions to ask a potential lender for your buyers. So let me say that another way. You're selling a home, you've got an offer in, and John and Jane want to buy your house. These are the questions you, or really and truly your realtor, should be asking their lender. Because guys, the biggest mistake you can make is accepting an offer. Doesn't matter the price, but if you accept an offer, if they can't close, the whole thing's moot. And what you've really done is you've just wasted a ton of time waiting to find out in the 11th hour they can't execute. And on top of that, guys, you may have missed potential buyers that could actually close on your home. And then, of course, you got all the headaches of having to do the scheduling, rescheduling, and maybe even delay the purchase of your new home. So the very biggest thing you can do is make sure you have qualified buyers on your hand. So here's my recommendation of what I would do or have my realtor do if I were to accept an offer. I'd have my realtor call the lender and ask the lender all kinds of questions about who they are as an actual lender. How long you've been in the business? Tell me about your company. Where's your company located? Where are you located? Where's your underwriting located? Where's your processor? So you're asking about their operations. You're trying to figure out, does this person know what they're doing? How long have they been doing it? And how confident are you in their ability to actually close loans? I would even go as far as say, hey, how long have you been in the business? What was your volume last year? How many loans did you close? What was that dollar amount? Where's most of your business coming from? Is it purchases or refinances? Just try to know everything you can about that lender, because again, guys, you can have two borrowers that walk on water that are just credit awesome, but the lender, can't, it's just so inept they can't close on time or at all. One of the really important questions to ask is, what is their appraisal process? So in other words, who are they using? I would say the very, very, very vast majority of mortgage companies have to use a third-party vendor to order those appraisals. It's called an AMC, an appraisal management company. I don't care about them. What I do care about is, where are they getting the pool of their appraisals? Are they somebody that they work with on a regular basis? So for example, I am here in Dallas, Texas. The AMC we use has appraisers that we know, love, and respect. I don't get to pick which one goes out, but I know the panel. I know what their turn times are, they're held accountable, and the AMC does a very good job of making sure that they are held to the highest standards of service. So make sure, because that is a big deal. You're selling your home. It better be somebody who knows the area, knows the market, and has had some actual experience being an appraiser. It's not their first day on the job. So find out more about that. That is super important. So just make sure you're asking all those right questions. And then there's a whole separate set of questions your realtor needs to be asking that lender about the actual buyers. There's a whole nother section we wrote about that. So be sure to check that out so that you guys know what to do. And if you have the opportunity to call that lender because you don't have a realtor, or maybe you just want to go outside the box and go rogue, again, ask those questions, guys. Know who's on their side, because they're going to control your destiny.